who would it be?
In the world,
In the world, so like international, pwede international or local.
ano ba mas okay isagot? Local or international?
Sige, let's go with international first.
International. Gusto ko si Bryan Cranston. You know Bryan Cranston?
I've heard of.
Bryan Cranston is si Walter White. Do you know Breaking Bad? Yon. So si Walter White. I really, really, really am a huge fan of Bryan Cranston kasi kung napanood mo yung Breaking Bad, sobrang seryoso niya doon, di ba? But he was also the dad in Malcolm in the Middle. Have you seen Malcolm in the Middle? So it's a comedy, it's a sitcom. Tapos siya yung dad doon. So that was like siguro one of his earlier projects na sobrang comedy yung role niya doon. As in, comedy kasi siya, sitcom. So, ang galing lang ng range na he can do something as serious as Breaking Bad. And then, kaya niya din mag-comedy ng gano'n.
Extremes.
Oh,
Na dulo to
extremes.
dulo.
Oo.
There you
Which
go.
I love.
Sige, yun yung for the international.
For international.
How about for the local scenes? Yun na naman.
Sobrang gusto kong maka-work si Pepe Herrera.
Gets.
Although ano naman si Kuya Pepe, hi Kuya. No, but I really, really wanna work with him kasi favorite ko na local film talaga, yung ang pangarap kong Hold Up. Sobrang favorite ko yung film na yun. Like, it's one of the movies that I can watch nang paulit-ulit and not get tired of it. So, yun. Tapos, Viva din, yung recent niya na project, yung Ang Sampung Utos kay George, sila yung dalawa ni Gerald. So, and si Kuya Pepe naman, I mean, I know him personally. Kasi may mga common friends din kami. So, I just really, really wanna work with him. Tsaka gusto ko mag-comedy na, yung comedy na medyo kanal. Yung ganong type ng comedy.
May manifest natin yan for you.
Oo,
guys.
sana.
Okay, another question. Sabi dito, if you could leave one message para sa lahat ng mga supporters mo who have, stayed with you through every chapter of your life, ano yung message ka ngayon?
I love you guys. O hindi, sobrang totoo yun. Sobrang love na love ko sila. Kasi kahit anong mangyari sa akin, nandyan sila. And hindi sila yung mga klase ng nagja-judge sila sa mga decisions ko. Parang they trust in a lot of my decisions. Ayan, nandyan sila. Kaway kayo.
Hi guys! Shout out to all of you!
Yan, tsaka lahat ng ginagawa ko talaga, kahit yung mga events namin for like some of my ventures, pumupunta talaga sila. They're very, very supportive.
And I'm sure supportan din na yung Love Siargao. No?
For sure, nag-aantay na yan ng next episode. Mga yan.
Nag-aantay niya.
Thanks, guys!
Very good. That's very sweet. Maraming salamat. I guess that wraps up our Q&A portion.